Welcome to the Fireblocks Stacks app. Let's get set up. First, your Fireblocks credentials. I'll paste my API key or generate a signing request right here from starting fresh. It's validated and stored safely in the system keychain. Then the optional hero key for stacks. Feel free to grab, and it gives you much better rate limits. Then we're in. This is every Vault account with stacks enabled. Balance is live. Open any account for the full picture. The token dropdown breaks down everything it holds. Stacks, USDC, SBTC. And then here is the stacks address and the matching Bitcoin rewards address. Both are one click to copy. And scrolling on gives you the rest of the account's details. Transaction history shows every transfer and contract call on this account, and any record links straight out to the Stacks Explorer so you can verify it on-chain yourself. Back to the Stacks app. Let's send some funds. Create transfer. I pick a destination, paste an address, or choose another vault from the dropdown. Select a token, set the amount, and approve. The actual signing happens through the Fireblocks workspace per your account policies. And then once it's out, we can follow it straight to the Explorer. Back to all accounts. Let's open Slava's vault. Notice there's no USDC here yet. Now back on the main account, a custom transfer token can be created. I choose USDC, and this time pick Slava right from the vault dropdown. No address to paste. Set the amount, review, and approve through Fireblocks. The transfer shows as processing while it validates, and one click takes us to the Explorer to watch it confirm. And over in Slava's account, there's the USDC landed and ready. That covers moving funds. Now the fun part. Back to the overview and into DeFi and staking. This is where the app's built-in browser lets your vault connect to Stacks native apps directly. No extension, no seed phrase. Here's the catalog. DeFi protocols on one side, non-custodial stacking pools on the other. Let's open a DeFi app. I'll open Alex, a DeFi exchange on Stacks, similar to Bitflow, where you can trade different tokens. We'll use it to demo a swap. It loads right inside the app. When I connect my wallet, my Fireblocks Vault account shows up as the options. The vault itself is the connected wallet. Now a swap. Choose the token I'm trading from, the one I want in return, and an amount. Alex prices the route, I confirm, and because the wallet is my vault, it routes straight through Fireblocks in the same signing flow. It shows as confirming, and the Explorer link lets us verify the trade settled on-chain, secured by Bitcoin through Stacks. And back in the app, Slava's account and history already reflect everything we just did. Transfers, custom tokens, and a whole DeFi ecosystem, all driven from your Fireblocks vault. That's Stacks on Fireblocks.